Hello my dears, in this tutorial I will brief you about this descendant selector. So the descendant selector is made up of two or more selectors separated by a white space. A descendant selector of the form A space B, for example, matches when the B element is an arbitrary descendant of the sum element A. Okay, so you can see this HTML code. We have body h1 h2 inside the body, and we have one section and two second section. So this section include div, 4 divs, and this section also include 4 divs. Okay, so we can make it different numbers. So if we refresh, so you can see I'm heading, so these two belong to body, and all of these 4 belong to 2 sections, 1 2 3 4 to one section, 5 6 7 8 to another section. Okay, so what if we write if we are applying CSS property? So if we write the div to be, if we write div, and if we write the background color, if we write, what's the problem here? So sorry, I'm doing the wrong page. So if I write background color to be, sorry, I'll visit the page, I'll write HTML color codes. Okay, so I have different colors here. Suppose this, I select this color. So if I write this width to be 300 pixel, height to be 50 pixels. So I save it. You can see all of the divs are styled similarly. Okay, so instead if I write the section, this will mean the div belong to section. So I think there will be no change, because we have all the divs belong to section and the section is like the same. So we have not identified uniquely both the sections. But if uniquely identify using ID, for example, the ID of this is suppose section 1, and the ID of this is section 2. Why I'm not using the class? Because the class name we take is the same. So for different elements we can take the same class name, but ID is different. So if we take the class name same, so it will create problem, because if this is class section 1, this is class section 1, or this is class A. So if you want to make these different from these, so how I will do that? So this will create a problem. So I take the IDs and I write to style only these 4 divs of the section. Okay, so I will write the section 1 divs only. Color the section, style the section 1 divs only. So all the divs belong to section 1. Now we have mentioned the section, which section, which is section 1. Okay, so you can see only these 4 divs are color differently. So if we want to make color the other section divs differently, so we will write, so we will first copy and we will write section 2 divs, and we will copy this. Okay, so write background color to be different. What happened? Oh, this is section 2 div, and this is section 2. Okay, so okay, I put it in the wrong place, sorry. This is actually correct place for it. Now it will be fine. You can see divs of both sections are now different. Okay, until now it's now okay. Now, what if we want to make the first div of this section and the first two of these, the first two divs of section 2 to be same, like these two, div 1, div 2, div 5, div 6 to be same, div 3, div 4, div 7, and div 8 to be same. So, in this situation, this will not work. Section 1, div 1, section 2, div 2. Okay. So for this, we will make use of the classes for the div. Until now, we have defined the classes for the the IDs for the section and ID for this. But as we are grouping the similar elements like div1, div2, div5, and div6 in the same group, so we will take the class, the unique class for this class. Okay, class A, for example, and we will copy this class, we will paste it here, we will paste it here, and we will paste it here. So all of these are now the class A elements. And now I am writing class B. Okay, so I will copy it and I will write class B and write class B and I'll write class B. Okay, so what mistake I did? So this is class A, this is class A, this is class B, this is class B, and this is class A, this is class A, this is class B, this is class B. Okay, so class 7, 8 shows some time. Okay, so this here is some sort of repetition. Here comes now. Okay, and also in the okay. Now I want to apply these two class A and these two class B. So what I will do, I will write here, no need of writing the div, I will just write class A, class A, and this is a class. Okay, so you can see these two classes has same properties and these two are styled same. Okay, so let's suppose we take two more sections, like we copy this whole section. Okay, we take one this section and we take another section. So we have set of sections. This is another copied section. So this will take 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So see what happens. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Oh. So um, if we want to apply the color only to the class A belong to the section 1. So what we will do? We will do section 1, only section 1 class A. You write section 1 dot, no, asterisk is used for the ID. So this is the this will be the section 3. Okay, so what we will do? Okay, so we have applied it to the section 1 dot A, and this one is also colored. So this is section 1. Okay, sorry, this is, as this is in a double bracket, so we will write it capital. So now you can see the class A but belong to the section 1. Okay, and if we want to apply it to the section 3 also, so we can write section 3 here. So you can apply section 1 and section 3 dot A. So sorry, this one we will use dot A. Now you can see we have applied class A of the section 1 and class A of the section 3 only, but not to section 2. If we have to apply to all sections, then we will write just section 1. So here we have make use of multiple selector, this selector 1, this selector 2, and also the descender using the class selectors. Okay, so what if we want to make all of these different? So for that you will have to take the IDs instead of the classes. So you will define different IDs like ID A, B, C, D, E. So individually you can apply to each ID then. Okay, so this was all about the descendant and classes selectors. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much.